And the LA tour begins. So, ngayon, nasa hop-on, hop-off bus kami. And we're going to tour around Hollywood through hop-on, hop-off. So, ayan. Hi, self! Hindi masyadong mainit during the morning. So, sa taas kami pumuesto para we can have a great view of the city. It's windy pa. Ayan o, mahangin pa ng time na yan. So, hindi pa talaga ganun kainit. So, ayan, mukha ko. Hi, self! Ayan sila nanay. Ang first stop namin, we decided to go first to Farmers Market. Originally, we were going to go down sa Beverly Hills. Pero, ang mga Thunders, walking tour na naman, so they need rest. So, sa Farmers Market, doon na lang kami magla-lunch at maglilibot-libot. Hi again, self. Look, so pretty. So far, hindi pa naman sila nakakatulog. So, ayan o, ang ganda. Buong LA. Malilibot mo na yung buong Hollywood through this hop-on, hop-off tour. Actually, there are 3 routes. Merong red line, yellow line, and the purple line. Yung purple line, they're going to downtown, yung bus ng hop-on, hop-off. And then yung yellow sa Santa Monica. And this is the red line, the Hollywood tour. So, ayan yung Hollywood. Summer weather yan, ha? Pero, Baguio weather for us. So, akala namin kapag summer, talagang mainit na mainit sa LA. Pero hindi, Baguio weather talaga siya. So, kung pupunta kayo dyan, bring your hoodies. Kahit summer, malamig pa din. So, ayan, we're arriving in Beverly Hills. Hindi namin binabaan kasi mapapagastos tayo ng sobra, ang mamahal dyan. And this is naman the gas station. Very iconic daw yan because of the architecture. Very retro-futurism daw. And here, our first stop sa Four Seasons Hotel ng LA. At Beverly Hills. Ang ginawa lang namin dyan, umihi at magpa-picture. Kasi sabi ng driver namin na iihi na raw siya. So, pinasok niya kami. Hindi naman kami sinaway. Parang tinur na lang talaga kami. Mababait naman ng mga tao. Actually, na-shock ako na very nice naman ng mga Americans. Mas nicer sila mas nicer sila kesa sa Europeans. Actually, nagulat ako. Very palabatin, accommodating. Actually, hindi ko in-expect yun. In-expect ko mga racist. Pero no, they're very nice. Yun yung revelation. Diba? Hindi kami na-discriminate. Umihi, pumunta lang kami dyan para umihi. Pero at magpapicture. Pero in-accommodate kami ng mga staff. Ayan, tapos sa kami magpa-picture. Labas na kami. Yeah, very nice ang mga Americans, especially our driver. Very friendly. So ayan, palabas na. Bye-bye Four Seasons Hotel. Tapos na ang Wiwi Galore. Galing kami dito. Bye-bye. Nag-CR lang kami dito. Bakit daw mapangi, sabi ni Mami. So, ayan, back at the bus again. And off to go. Next stop, Farmers Market. Diba? Cubao. Charit! Meron din sa LA niyan. Yan. Sige po, sunod na kayo kay Daddy.
Parang sinadya.
No? Si Mami naman may ka-video call. So, ito yung food court ng Farmer's Market. Actually, hinahanap ko dito yung Filipino food kasi parang sinabi nila na meron daw Filipino food sa Farmer's Market. Pero parang nilibot ko siya, hindi ko naman makita. Pero merong Singaporean, Chinese food, and of course, Chinese food ang kinain. Siyempre, wala katalo-talo ang Chinese food. Dahil yan ang gustong-gusto ng mga Asians. Naghahanap sila ng kanin. Imagine, pumunta kami ng Amerika to eat Chinese food. Pero masarap naman. We love it. So, ito ako ngayon, ayan. Naghahanap ng Filipino food pero wala akong makita. So, naglibot-libot na lang ako. Namasyal lang ba? Well, kasi, di ba, turista mode tayo eh. So, ayan. Umorder na kami. After that, we ate ice cream. After kumain. Hindi ko yan na-videohan. Wala yung eating time namin. Masyado kami busy eating. But ito kami straight ahead sa ice cream shop ng Farmer's Market. It was nice. Pero nakakangalay. Lagi kami nakatayo. Puro lakad. Kung nakapapagod ako, ibig sabihin napapagod na sila nanay yung time na yan. So, while waiting for our order, sina Daddy decided to record. Sa vlog yan naman ni Joris, di ba? Abangan ninyo, behind the scenes lang, and raw vlog lang yung meron ako. Meron din si Joris. More professional edit. Yes! And picture taking. Of course, turista tayo, kaya hindi mawawala ang picture taking once in a lifetime. Hindi natin sure kung kailan tayo makakabalik dito. So, we better make memories and preserve memories. Diba? Akala nila sharp ang memory ko, pero hindi nila alam, may vlog lang ako para mabalikan yung mga ganap. Naalala ko yung mga sinuot yung damit kasi nasa vlog siya. Akala nila sharp memory. Hindi. Nasa vlog lang yun. So, ayan. Gala mode, lakaran mode after we take a rest dito. Ayun, sarap ng ice cream. Very, very American yung serving. Kasi sobrang laki. Imagine, parang kang kumain ulit ng lunch sa amount nung ice cream, sa quantity ng ice cream. Saka hindi siya masyadong nakakaumay. And here we go again, lakaran at the Grove. So, magkatabi lang ang Farmer's Market and the Grove. So, very walking distance. Hi, self again. It was so pretty, very, expensive and luxurious yung mga items that they sell. Cheesecake Factory! I want to eat at Cheesecake Factory, but, nakapag-lunch na kami. So, busog na. And we didn't. Wala pala. Hindi pala kami nag-train. Naglakad lang. Maganda sana yan to see the Grove. To walk around naman, feel ko mas enjoyable. Kasi mas tipid. Yan, ang ganda nung park. So, parang dyan kami nagpahinga, wiwi again, because that's our favorite stop. Yung The Grove, hindi siya outlet, hindi siya shopping outlet ang tulad sa Gotemba outlet ng Japan or outlet sa Florida, dito talagang kung ano yung original price, yun yung original price. But the place is very beautiful. So, inisip namin, hindi kami bibili kasi sa Florida na lang kami mamamasyal at bibili ng mga things. And we can't bring all the pasalubong from LA. So, mahirap yung hand carry. So nag-decide kami na hindi mo na bumili ng anything here in LA. It was so pretty. Ang ganda ng park. So, ayan. Yung pinapasok namin, I think hotel din siya. And of course, picture taking, makikiihi, ganun. Diba? Ayan yung lobby ng hotel. Pinasok namin yan para umihig. Yun ang purpose ng mga luxury hotel dyan sa US eh. Pinapasukan para mag-wiwi eh. Diba? Tsaka makapag-picture eh. And of course, nakakita naman si nanay ulit ng flowers. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi mag-picture taking dyan. Hello! Ayan. And walking tour again. Ayan, we decided to go back na to the bus station. And ang next stop namin is Hollywood Boulevard na ulit. So, bukas na lang kami mamamasyal ng bonggang-bongga. But ito, napuntahan namin at least ang farmer's market. Ayan, merong bus station for hop on, hop off. So, kung tatry nyo yun, very sulit na din naman. Diyan talaga nakapag-bonding sina Daddy at si Brother Rudy sa hop on, hop off. Diba? Nalibutan namin ang buong LA through, ay hindi naman buong LA, Hollywood lang naman. And ang ganda nung audio guide for hop on, hop off. Very informative. So madami kang matututunan about the city of stars, Hollywood. So yun, after ng balik sa Hollywood Boulevard, maglilibot-libot kami again. Ayan, nakabalik na kami. And we tour, of course. and ito na rin yung stop nila Brother Rudy. They're going back na rin sa Long Beach. And at least nakapag-bonding kahit short time with them. And we spend most of our time here in Hollywood Boulevard. Kasi marami naman na talagang pupuntahan din dito. As a tourist, diba? Kung first time mo sa LA, puntahan mo talaga yan. Pero if it's not your first time, I think there's more LA can offer than Hollywood Boulevard. Ayan ang behind the scenes.
Hi, thank you so much, and welcome to America.
So, for the next vlog, Hollywood Boulevard at night. See you there.